Rhea Chakraborty's lawyer had alleged that the NCB has no jurisdiction in the banned substances case and asked that the investigation be transferred to the CBI. The agency has now refuted Rhea Chakraborty's claim and filed affidavits in the Bombay High Court challenging the bail pleas of Rhea and her brother Shouvik. It will soon be a month since the NCB arrested Rhea Chakraborty for procuring, paying for and consuming banned substances. The NCB has alleged that Rhea Chakraborty aided and financed the others accused in the case for procurement of banned substances. Rhea's name emerged in this case after Sushant's family filed an FIR against her for financial fraud, and when the Enforcement Directorate were investigating the case, they came across chats between Rhea, Shouvik, Jaya Saha and Samuel Miranda. After interrogating her for 3 days, the NCB arrested Rhea after she allegedly admitted to procuring and consuming banned substances. The NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede had also alleged that Rhea and her brother Shouvik were actively involved in transactions involving banned substances. However, Rhea has since said that she was forced to make those statements under duress by the NCB. The actor and her brother Shouvik have applied for bail twice before their pleas have been rejected. Last week in court, Rhea's lawyer Satish Manashinde had alleged that the NCB has no jurisdiction in the case and requested that the case be handed over to the CBI from the NCB. He also added that the Supreme Court had directed the CBI to investigate all matters related to Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. So this aspect of the case should also be investigated by them. However, the NCB had refuted these demands and filed affidavits in the Bombay High Court opposing Rhea and her brother Shouvik's bail pleas. The NCB has also interrogated actors like Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan. But according to an NCB official, while their mobile phones have been seized for further investigation, no links have been made so far between these actors and the peddlers of banned substances. While investigations continue into Sushant's demise by the CBI and the NCB, Sushant's family is still waiting to understand what caused the late actor's untimely demise. Sushant ki behan Shweta Singh Kirti has been actively organizing campaigns on social media demanding justice for her brother and has shared another post now asking Sushant's fans to not lose hope. She shared a new post on her social media account and said, "Let's stay united. Our unity is our strength." After so many allegations, conspiracy theories and parallel trial by the media, it will indeed be a relief when the truth finally emerges and Sushant's family and his fans who have waited patiently finally get closure and justice for the late actor.